portable air conditioner to bring fresh air wherever you want the summer of in your region, and you can't stand the heat at home. If so, we have the solution for you. The portable air conditioner is perfect for those days where the heat does not let you rest or work at ease. It is perfect for you who walk from one place to another within your home. Take it to the room, the living room or the kitchen, and refresh the environment or make it more comfortable. What do you get when you buy it? A high quality, resistant and light air conditioner that serves to take it wherever you want and not suffer from heat waves. In addition, thanks to its 3 adjustable speeds, you decide what temperature you want to be at. Take advantage of this opportunity and place your order from anywhere in the world. If you have additional questions, you can write us a direct message.